behalf of the NDPP Agri and Allied Organization, I declared the Millet Festival Kezama open.
Millet Festival, organized by Kazama Village Council, Department of Agriculture, Government of Nagaland, and Department of Tourism, Government of Nagaland. I, on behalf of the organizing committee, warmly welcome each and every one of you to this first edition of Millet Festival 2025.
Deri kenini gowe seteno pokevi sigmukizedi zeri zoyamo se set telhi tersiamo ke kilabonze tez telhi te ketsudo simo mu telhi ketsu pochari bagmola sla kenini gozowe tsewe tichunu seteno chegelego sekose tevocha tsrivor 시월이 별띠째 니보 깨트스디 타 테레기 그러면기사 런나메 크로히 마차 깨끗이는 런나누버레 무스제 테멜후레 무 깨후타 깨투자parle 데리 레겔제 런나메고 스테노치게츠 하우 카와 무 하우 지모게다 세케소 tiche he de ki po parte haidin halek jemo ke tala ga nenye je pete pe jebota ke zunu Nagaland government ne tiche ni ke di me fe se sete no tiche di phasa year of millet mu how pe mu di 2023 humble tiu kis hamanu millet festival bale tiniti how nu ugo Honorable CM Dr. Nipurio, Seteno Givijego, Temesrola Vigetsego, Mu Telitenu, Pochame Yagaba, Musidi, Runame, Setenoha, Jelemurkisho, Nunigo Seke Zakisunu, Village Council go CM de Sisidi, Runame, Setenoha Je Sede Lale Murkisho, Nunin Parle, Sidi Rame Petebu, Seteno Jegeto. Hause metse maharseledi ditje nyegenedi mefe de ditjunu jetose deri pose ngule moketala jele modadi pose fuledi jetenu jele mu haunu village council go seteno jego sebe lechemiko tsese.
I was delighted when I received the program just yesterday, and we were discussing among this name of this millets. We call it oats. In my Kazakino or Kozabomi, I say, in my dialect, I say ts. Then I saw the program today, has come up. Now I just asked my friend here, my colleagues from our brother again, he said, it should be us. That means who name or call the word first. In my full dialect, I call it tsebe. Tsebe. Here we call it otsa. So tse is there, then who called the term first? Then I was discussing with some of my senior colleagues in the presence of director yesterday. Then I said, foxtail, it should be like that, or what do we call, how the word counts? So that way, I'm also not a resource person here, but I came here to learn from you. I'm a paddy cultivator, not millet cultivators. Basically, I tell you. I'm a cultivators, farmers from Kazagano, Kuzabomi village, but I'm not a profession in millet cultivations. No, I don't have knowledge about it, proper knowledge. For this topography of Nagaland, okay? I've done research in some field, but not in millet, no. I've studied agriculture, yes, but in different location. Here, I want to share to you is our God is so grateful and gracious to our people here. Firstly, He have created this beautiful world for us. When you go back to the Old Testament in Genesis chapter 1, verse 1 says, He have created the heaven and earth, the beautiful earth that we are residing, our forefathers was residing. In Genesis chapter 1 and verse 29 also, He have given us everything to us, where we are dwelling and living it for a short period of time or years. That what I am trying to emphasize is our forefathers have undergone this type of situation during the time, and with their struggling and their findings, we have come to this stage thus far. It is their findings, not my finding. So when they're unknown to God, see, I say they were struggling which crop to eat, which are the herbs to eat, which are the animals that God have given to us on the surface of this earth. So this is our handiwork, our precious thing that our forefathers said, pass it over to us.
Recent harvest is depleting as the years move on, and we are about to reach that next harvest. I think this millet provided a very enormous food security to our people in the past. Today, with the progress of agriculture and technology and the researchers, it is learned that millet provides a very resourceful food for our health. So our this agricultural practices of this millet cultivation and our modern day, I think, converges. So our forefathers left a very good heritage for us. So I believe we should keep on upkeep this practice of cultivation of millet. Secondly, I think for every state or for every government, I think they considered the strength of our state and then decide the economic policy and plans of the state. So I think today we are lucky that our state government has taken tourism as an industry, as an economic engine, the potential for the progress of our state economy. So here seeing the people of Kezoma organizing this millet festival in a line with the policies and program of the government is very appreciative and encouraging. So I would, on behalf of the department, I would encourage the people to upkeep this very practice. Thirdly, I think the community responsibility is very necessary for the progress of any economy of the people of any particular area or state. So while promoting this tourism promotions, this agricultural tourism promotions, I think it is necessary that the organizers and the people always need to consider the participation of the community, because the community effort is guaranteed for the progress, for the economic progress, and then I think that should be upkept as we progress on. Thirdly, I think we Naga people are known for our hospitality. So like in the conduct of business, I think there are standard way of conducting, our services, or rather providing services to the visitors or tourists or whatever venture we take. So I think we should transform that, or rather interpret our traditional hospitality today in today's form or in today's time, I think. So like while promoting our tourism through conduct of these festivals, I think we should encourage our people to sell our products rather than practicing those traditional hospitalities, which in those days were relevant. But yet we cannot continue with that traditional hospitality as we practice in the past, but then it should be transformed in this today's in relevant to the today's time. I think with this commercialization and then promote through those ideas to benefit our people in promotion of these tourism activities. Thirdly, lastly, I wish and pray that this very festival will continue to prosper and progress for the benefit of the people. With these few words, I would end my speech here. Thank you all.
Aze ko abu tenye de du de pusiche dia fwa de ni chuki a nagabzo nu shera that tenye de pumozo teacher sara hidia dia slano yo pete bu shikel shi lu ketela shi le ketela nagamis nu pusido. I think that satisfied you. I on behalf of all of us, khan kiman jon idea ase. Sop lagan nam bra, apne khan Kezoma village ke tangor bra congratulate dia se. Iman ekta village bra iman kuribole pare to bishi tangor ase de. Ami yeti 2022 de last term de ami opposition de thakise NPF thakise ami khan 2021 de ami khan opposition less government form kurigena 21 later part of 21 de government de ahigena yeti chief minister urban station khulibole 2022 to ahadam de ahigena apna khan laga bosti dekhigena bosti te birai nai olobi kiman bi bahal bosti aseo gogena appreciate kurigena ja to remember kura ase aji to glimpse of your village parbi kurigena higena iman bahal village aro iman dangor village thakigena dekha to bishi khushi pai ase ami gulti na hoile to 22 te amar laga chief minister to yeti vision haligene ja aji apne khan harvest kura ase tar ami khan kinega hole self sustain hobo lage aro kinega hole ami khan agri sector te boom kuribole paribo uthibole paribo itula kotha pi koigena thake jani ase aro millet apne khan jaga nishina to millet pi bal hobo koigena itu kwa to aji apne khan 2025 te millet festival bosti bra millet festival organize kuribole pare thake to itu bishi dangor kotha ase ami dosra aro na jai age de amar laga agri advisor to station te thake na go gene hunise olobi kali rati tai laga picture dekhiche ekta function de taji bra ami tai ge message dishe ami aji Kezoma te millet festival de je ase sir apne laga message ki ba asana nai go gina tai ge patha tu tai laga message apne ken ke di gena ase ami tu purai dibo. Here's a short message. My warm greetings to the people of Kezoma village on the occasion of the Millet Festival. My heartfelt appreciation for the efforts of the villagers and organizers in promoting this important crop. May this festival inspire pride in your traditions, strengthen community bonds, and encourage wider adoption of millet, a healthier and sustainable future. Wish the Millet Festival of Kezoma great success. Itu amakan laga advisor laga message apnakan ke diya se. The appreciation and thanks goes to the Department of Agriculture, apnakan aro Department of Tourism. Ite amar tourism director kakihe ko nishina. Tourism has been categorized as an industry, not only a department, but it is an industry now in Nagaland. Aro apne khan time philai lebi iman kam kurigena itu village ekla na hoigena dosate bi bishi kam kura ase. Olebi aji gaiti ahigena iman agri department or tourism department bra bosti Kezoma ge tanigena loigena age ja dekhigena bishi khushi pai ase itu continue kuri dibo lage under national food security mission te kam bishi ja ase aro itu aji kezoma laga success to I think apart from your hard labor and your vision and your dedication the national food security mission laga modot pi loigena iman tok ahibo pare ase aro itu to sob amar koi nishina ite agriculture department aro tourism department bra tanigena loi ja dekhigena apni khan laga appreciation and thanks apne khan department ke bi di ase itu millet laga to amar officer duita bra bhal bra koi dise millet tu ki ase koi kina ami tati iman kobole kam nai holebi if we look back to the history all of iniga flip back kurile tu itu 2021 de India pra United Nations ke move kurise millet tu international year declare kobo lage koi kina 2021 de India ha UN de move kurise Food and Agriculture Organization of the UN te move kurise it was supported by 70 countries 70 country bra 2021 de move kura to tadi bra ha 2023 to year of the millet declare koi kina ase 2023 to ami to hare jaise to aro harai gena res boi jaise itade bra ki government de ki jase ami khan to iman na jane hoise holebi if we look at the record 2023 to year of the millet thakise with the theme healthy millets healthy people itu ha mission laga theme thakise UN laga aro prime minister modi bra India te ekta chokri ke appreciate kurise itu chokri to Lahiri bai ase tar la nam 27 years old from Madhya Pradesh te pra itu chokri ki kurise kole 150 varieties of millet tai gather kurwa parise de 150 varieties of millet ami khan Nagaland de chechamate 7 varieties cholai ase kunba sema area te 7-8 varieties ja ase neki yeti amar khan kezomate kiman thakibo 7.5 ase na 3-4 thakibo already itu millet to if we look at the records it is there are about 150 varieties jai ase aro ite record saile to 2025 te to Bangalore was the international millet festival to Bangalore to host kurgena ase January the bra kurise dekha so adia bosti manukhan slide te dekha nishina aro amar duita officer bra ko nishina poila to millet to poor man's food thakise poor khana khai laga food to aji to rich man's food hoi jaise to aji to ito nutrition benefit health benefit bishi dangor ahi jaise aro ito laga scope to bishi ase ami scope to nakobo holebi ami khan jane nimite tati aha ase itu kati itu la scope to bishi hoya ase ami kezoma bosti khan ke kobule mon thake to itu na charibi the way you have come in within the span of 2-3 years it is an indication that you will scale even higher holebi on top of that ami bi koi dibole mon ase na charibo lagibo aro tati addition korbi to srabi addition korbi aji iti ami khan birai gena sana holebi bishi varieties of vegetable bishi ase itu karne itu to bishi achievement ase it is certainly a way towards sustainability of the Naga people itu jabole itu apna khan ke koi dia ase ami ekta kobole mon thake to ami khan laga traditional jum cultivation to na charibo lagibo de Naga manukhan na charibo lagibo kila mane ami khan laga traditional jum cultivation is attached with our tradition and with our way of life ami khan laga life tati aside apne khan itu jum cultivation na korle to secret itu incomplete hobo kheti laga saman nani gena Kohima town bra Dimapur town bra kini gena secret ni gite na paribo ami khan sema khan to tulini to kheti de jayega na tulin kurbola olai to ahona to ধান তো নতুন ওলা আনি কেনা আহু নকৰা আছে আহুনাবি নাগুৰা হৈছে তুলিনিবি নাগুৰা হৈছে কি নিমিতে আছে আমি খান লাগা ট্ৰেডিশ্যনেল জুম কাল্টিভেশ্যন ছাৰে পৰা আছে ইট ইজ attached to our culture and to our tradition এইটো নাহাৰাব লাগিব আমি খান লাগা গানা খানটো it is very much it has meaning to our lives folk songs folklore to ini নহয় দে তো আমাখান লাগা লাইফতে attachment আছে আমি খান লাগা progress আৰু failure আৰু success পুৰা লিংক আছে আমাখান লাগা songs খানটো এটো খান সব পয়লা লাগা হৈ যাব আমি খান জুম কাল্টিভেশ্যন ছাড়ি যে বলে না আমি খান লাগা ট্রেডিশনাল নলেজ বেশি আছে সিজন লাগা কিরা লাগা পোকা লাগা ইনসেক্টস কি এনিমেল কি টাইম দে কি করব লাগে এইটো ট্রেডিশনাল নলেজ সব হারাই যাব আমি খান জুম কাল্টিভেশ্যন ছাড়িছে কলে এইটো কাৰণে আমি এতে আপনাখানকে কনক্লুশন দে কবলে মন থাকে তো এইটো আমি খান লাগা আইডেন্টিটি তো জুম কাল্টিভেশ্যন তে অ্যাটাচ কৰি না আছে দে এইটো কাৰণে no matter how much you pursue your modern farming which is very essential now but at the same time let us not forget and let us not drop our jum cultivation ami kan jum cultivation be equally important or if not more important bra loigene jabo lage koikina itu bi apna khan ke koi dia ase aro last e apna khan amakhan ke representation dia ase itu bishi reasonable representation ami khan ke dia ase amakhan kezoma tu loigena apne khan NDPP agri allied department to organization logote adopt kori dibi ko to bishi reasonable kotha ase ite ami agete koi nishina ami khan yeti I wish I was somebody today in the government so that I would have committed itu to ami kori dibo ko kina kobo pari bole ase I don't have that capacity now but it is very much in the principle and aims and objective of the NDPP to support and to help the farmers. Itu karni apna khan iti schemes linkage flagship program lodi link kur dibi financial grant assistance khan support dibi infrastructure support ami khan tabzen first Nagaland de fits bana laga jaga te bi jaigena ahigena ase tar lode hudia do itu nishina fits center 20 lagi ase ami khan minimum Nagaland fits Nagaland pork laga sustainability bahar bran ani mole na tati bi takhan bi infrastructure support lagi ase training bishi lagi ase itu nishina yeti apna khan leading ja ase we will certainly take your message to the government and the government will definitely hopefully come forward capacity building knowledge livelihood diversification itu kan ami khan ke koi gena ti ase itu to ekta bi ami khan government department bra na kure noy sob government laga department bra touch kori gena ja laga ase itu garni itu ami khan loi gena appropriate authority lote communicate koribo whatever we are initiating we are giving a copy to the village and a copy to the concerned MLA it is up there ami khan agree allied come to jai ase itu garni itu bi apna khan je ko ase ami khan khushis kori dibo koi kina aro last te bi amakhan laga thanks ekdam dangor apne khan ke dia ase let us look to God and hope that God will bless us all uke venya po jape uko pete tsikele thank you all nyo peja